Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project which is Swap. Swap coin is a strong project and it is related to the payment system. So this is the global payment network with Swap. You can pay and receive from anyone anywhere at any time with seamless liquidity in fiat currency. So we can also change this coin into a fiat currency instantly and cash that coin. So you can also read more about this project, so just click on the start here. So guys, this is a seamless liquidity and redemption, easy to send and exchange, countless use cases for your tokens, true ownership of your funds, compliant and transparent, reliable and secure. So the system of the swap coin is very secure and good. So now here we are going to read about what is the swap coin. So swap is an universal blockchain payment system that can be used by anyone anywhere. It is a free to use, open source and decentralized. Swap token or SAP are backed by a range of assets, cash and cash equivalents, and this ensures that will be always available liquidity for you to convert your tokens in a fiat currency. As already I told you, when you need, you can also change this tokens into a fiat currency. So this is so just click on more information and you can read about more about the swap coin here. So how can we help? So we can use this for our business, for individual and traders, and for financial institutions, sorry. So for business, accept swap as a form of payment and expand your business to the global market. Substantially reduce your operational costs by not using legacy financial institution, and also you can more read about the individual and traders. So read here, and this is the financial institution. You can also use the swap coin for them. So you can read here for more info. So this is the community. These are the social links, like you can also join their forums, the swapcoin forum. Just click on here and you can also join them on Telegram, Twitter and also on GitHub. So these are the social links of the swapcoin. So this is the redeem your token easily, instant and reliable liquidity. So they also say that we guarantee an easy and user-friendly way to redeem your tokens in fiat currency with the funds deposited directly on your bank account. So this is the ecosystem of the swap coin. So a strong network of partners. When using our tokens, you will count on a number of tools, solutions and services provided by our network of partners. So just click on this link and the ecosystem of the swap coin is open. So this is the ecosystem of the swap coin. So Novabank is the official partner of the swap token, and this is the swap token in open source. This is the list of current tokens in circulation. So you can also just click on the view and see more information about that. This is the swap coins, SAPG, and these are the exchanges like Uniswap, 1inch, Ladder, Dax, Fork, Delta, and this is the Matcha. So these are the exchanges, and guys, this is the wallet: Atomic Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, Ledger, and this is the Trust Wallet. So now just we are going again here, and this is the fast settlement. Send it to anyone anywhere. You can send the swap token to anyone anywhere easily, and he or she will receive the coins in just a few seconds, and is a secure and reliable way to locate and deploy your funds. So the built-in Ethereum compatible secure. All of our tokens are built on the Ethereum network, which offers reliable, secure and fast blockchain technology. So guys, already I will told you that download your ERC20 compatible wallet and start using your swap token today. Like they support the Atomic Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, and also the Ledger Trust Wallet. So guys, now we are going to click on the other options and read about that. So this is the brand assets. Just click on the brand assets. So guys, this is the brand assets we build. So read about that. So we build this brand for you. All of our brand assets are license free, so the brands are license free and you can use, anyone can use them for marketing any related project or promotional content. Like if we are going to make a video about the swap token, uh, and also we can make in gif images or other images to promote the swap token, so we can also use them. So just download here, and this is the sample. We can also download them here, and these are the products icons, so you can also download them from here. And these are the colors, and these are the other things. This is the font of the other things. Like our primary typeface is work sans an open source clean and very legible font. So guys, this is the brand assets, and now we are going to click on the for developers. So this is the developer that here you will find our resources for you to integrate and develop with swap. So index integrated development environment, IDEs, and is the application programming interfaces, testnet and test tokens, source codes, and you can also read more about here. So guys, now we are going to click another option, like the final option, holding reports. So just click on that, and you can also read more about the swap token project, like holding reports, transparency and trustworthiness, track the funds and holding, backing up our token. So this is the upcoming release, like 5/4/21, this is the Q1 2021, and this is the Q2 upcoming, like 5/7/21, and this is the Q3 like 4/10/21, and this is the Q4 upcoming, like release. They will release it 3/1/22. And if you have any type of question, then you can also just contact us option and ask them. So guys, this is the ecosystem, and this is the connector. Just this is the community of the swap token. So guys, this is the community of the swap token. Join the community to learn, discuss and share. So this is the forum link, and this is the telegram. You can also join them on their social networks, and if you have any type of questions or other things you can ask about the swap token, so you can ask them from here. So guys, we have also a bounty of the swap token, and it's a very great and good project, so you can also join the bounty. So now we are going to discuss about a bounty of swap token. So guys, this is the bounty of a swap token. Like SAPG coins almost 6,000 they will distribute, and almost it's a $60,000 project, and run it's almost 8 weeks. So this is the project, and so now we can read about this project. Swap is a global payment network that allow user to pay, receive and save money on the blockchain, and you can also read more about here. So these are the social links of the swap token. So this is the bounty, and swap will be hold a bounty campaign here in the Bitcoin talk to spread the word to the community. Swap is an universal blockchain payment system, and also you can read more here. So the bounty will be managed by Joan Mary, and this is the week first, which is going to start on January 16. Today is the January 17, and it's almost January 22. The final week is almost 8 weeks. So this is the token allocation, almost 6,000 SABG coins, which is equal to $60,000, and almost one coin is equal to $10. So this is the token allocation. And guys, 15% is almost for the signature campaigns. For the Twitter campaigns, almost 15%, and almost Telegram it's about 3 almost 5%, and almost 5% is for Discord campaign, and almost translation for 15%, and for blog and article it's almost 15%, for YouTube it's almost 15%, and for the Facebook it's also almost 15%. So guys, these are the general rules of the bounty. So all the participants must be join the Telegram discussion group, and also join the Telegram swap bounty group. These are the mandatory, and also you can ask, if you have any type of question, then you can ask about this bounty through this group. And also only one forum account per participant. If catch using multi accounts while enrolled in the campaign, all stacks will be forwarded, and strictly no changing of in address. If you submit your files here, then you cannot change address or anything here. So just so be careful, and put your all details here correctly. So this is the Twitter campaign, almost 900 SCPG coins, which is almost 9000 USD. All participants must be follow the Twitter page, and also you must have almost 500 real followers. Only one Twitter account per Bitcoin Talk user. Participants must do a total of 5x retweets, and including the pin tweets, and 3 tweets almost per week. So it is allowed to do the same 3x tweets per week for its. Please retweet new update if possible. So this is the website, and also and always mention @swap crypto and link of the website in those tweets. So you can also read more about this. Is the authentication of the post, Bitcoin Talk profile link, Twitter username, and also put your Twitter profile link, Twitter number of followers, how much you have followers in your Twitter accounts, almost 500, 800, 900. So just write it here. And this is the Telegram username. Put your Telegram username with @, and this is the ERC20 wallet address. Just put it here. So this is the form, and you must to fill the form after completing the proof of authentication post. Just put it here. And in the Twitter bounty campaign, you must to put your Bitcoin Talk username, Bitcoin Talk profile link. Just put it here. Your Twitter username with @, and also Twitter profile link. Put it here. Just write your Twitter number of followers here, and then put it your Telegram username, and then after that at the end you must to submit your ERC20 wallet address in this section, and just click on submit, and you are join the Twitter campaign. So guys, same as if you have a good amount of followers, like if you have 5000 plus followers, you will get almost 6 stacks per week. So this is a Facebook campaign. Almost you will get 9000 USDT, and the total coin of the SAPG is almost 900. So you must to follow the page of the Facebook campaign, and like and also follow. So you must need to almost 500 friends, and also the all details is similar with like the Twitter campaign. So you must to read be carefully here also. So this is the post authentication post. Just put your all details here, like same. Just change the link of the Facebook profile link, and then after that submit it here, how much you have friends or followers, and then ERC20 wallet address. So all the other details are same as the Twitter campaign. So this is the form. You must to submit the form after putting the authentication post, and this is the weekly post, like we see in the Twitter, like Twitter profile link, Telegram username, number of spreadsheet, and then ERC20 ETH address. So just put it here. Just this is put it your Twitter links like 1 2 3, and then retweets like 5 retweets. So you must also submit at the end of the week these links also. If you have 2000 plus friends, it's almost 4 stacks per week you will get. So this is the translation campaign. You must you can also participate in the translation campaign. And also this is the almost 9,000 USDT. And guys, this is the announcement thread, and this is a white paper. You can also translate that and get good amount of coins here also. So you must read more info about here. These are the languages like Chinese, Arabic, German, Indonesian, Filipino, Spanish, Japanese, Indian, and Russian. These are the languages that you can translate the announcement thread and also the white paper. And guys, this is the YouTube campaign, so you can also join their YouTube campaign. Create an awesome and unique video on what you think about swap project. So, and also you need maximum almost 500 followers. A subscriber video should be at least 2 minutes short, or more than this. Video should be in English language, not another language will be acceptable here. So include the site official website and other social platform on the video description, that you must put the website link at the end of the video description. And it does not matter if you want to add voice or just graphic. Play with your imagination, make the content clear, wait for approval before making a video. We will check each of the account first and allow up to 24 to 48 hours to approve your status. So when post in the thread with the FF. So guys, this is the authentication post, Bitcontact profile link, Telegram username, YouTube channel link. You must to put your YouTube channel link, and this is the Ethereum address like ERC20 wallet address. And after posting here, fill up this form. So if you have good amount of followers, you will get good stacks here. And also guys, if you get a good amount of views, then you will get also additional stacks here. And this is the quality fair. If your video quality is very good, best, then you will get almost 3 stacks, and fair almost 1 stack, and good quality of video will get almost 2 stacks here. So this is the blog and article section. So you can campaign, sorry. So you will get good amount of SAPG coins also here. So almost create an awesome, informative and good article or blog review about the swap project. So minimum 500 followers or subscriber. Article should be made in an original concept. We will only accept English reviews. As much as possible, include your own thought about the project alongside the basic information you will see at your preferred sources. So you can read more about the terms and condition about here. This is the proof authentication. This is the rewards. Almost if you will get good followers, you will get also good stacks here, and also additional stacks. We will evaluate all submissions at the end of the bounty program. So guys, this is the Telegram campaign. You can also join the Telegram campaign. Just read about the terms and condition here and join it. So this is the Discord campaign, guys. You can also join the Discord campaign. Just join them. Stacks. So this is the total 1 stacks, and it's almost $3,000 project campaign. So it's the signature campaign, and you can also join the signature campaign, which will start from the junior, and at the end legendary will get almost 12 stacks here. So it's a great project and a very strong project.